Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Just coming on today to share some things with you. Guess what I got in the mail today? Robin! Oh, Robin! Thank you for the tips and your inspiration. I got them. I only ordered one set, and those are the black ones. And they came in the mail today. So, and I'm going to show you what I do with those. Keep in mind in our efforts to grow with each other that there's a lot of love in this community. And sharing is caring, y'all. So make sure you share the videos out on people that you subscribe to so that they can get out there in the universe. You know, this algorithm here always changing, but that's okay. We're going to keep it moving. I'm going to show you some other things I got in the mail today too. It's been an exciting mail day for me. That's about it. I ain't got no hauls because I didn't do no shopping. But look, I got a ribbon, more ribbon. I did take advantage of the ribbon at Sam's Club, y'all, because I hardly ever can find the link. So when I found it, I was like, let me just go ahead and order this ribbon. So I did. All right, so if you all are not subscribed to Robin's channel, make sure you go over there and subscribe. She does an awesome job on her baskets and gift concepts. She just has a lot of great ideas, and she kind of buys things out of the box that we don't think about buying. So she does have a lot of things to share that gives you nice, new, fresh ideas. Her channel is the Philly Gift Goddess, and her name is Robin, and she is a sweetie pie, y'all. She's so sweet. But this is what I have done with the item that I just showed you, and those are the high heel planters. Let me just show you what I did with this. Alright, so in this one I put the Blessed decal on the front of it. And I did the Goddess Glamour. And this is a perfume from City Trend. I also did a face mask, nails, fingernails. We've got the wallet in there. And there, I did put a decal on that wallet, which I'll just show you real quick. So that is what our wallet is looking like. So she has fire, grace in her soul and heart. Anyway, it's really cute. And this is one of the Nicole Lees from City Trends. Most of these items came from City Trend. The nails came from Dollar General, and so did the face mask. This is the Lip Plumper lip gloss, which I came in a 6-pack from City Trend. And then I just did a nice little flower bouquet up here at the top. So I'm going to glue all these down, and then I will post some final pictures and put a bow on it. You all tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for all of your support. And thank you to Queen Shant for all of your support and just constantly pushing my channel. I really appreciate you. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
switch on this. Give me how we make a ginger. Baby, let me be your healer. Baby, your man, I no go for your hand, yo. Call on me, I go answer. And anytime when I